It is time once again for the Law and You, and not even the extreme heat of summer or the constant downpours could stop our legal team from getting back here into the virtual law center. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli, good to see you guys.
It's good to be back here in the virtual law center. I was away for 2 weeks.
We have it nice and comfortable here for you, and we'll get to our question today, which is actually a picture, and you guys have an accident scene you want to take a look at here. A verdict just came out in this case. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, this was the reason that I wasn't here for the last 2 weeks. This case involved a young man who was a soldier. He was traveling back to Fort Bennington, and he was struck by a tractor trailer that was operated by a Canadian trucking company. And we tried the case in federal court in front of Judge Saporito, who was just a terrific judge, really ran an outstanding courtroom, and we ended up with a $1.4 million verdict in the case. So it was, really good result, tough case, great family. I mean, we couldn't be, more proud of, being able to, represent this, this young man. So yeah, it was a good result. Really good result.
Let me tell you, people don't understand the dynamics of a courtroom, but this was an extremely difficult case that we took into the courtroom. And despite having a minimal $25,000 offer from the insurance company on this case, we knew we were right. We walked in that courtroom and fought tooth and nail for our client, and the jury agreed with us and gave us a very nice verdict to adequately compensate this young man. But that's what we do on a daily basis, where when insurance companies, that's 52 times the offer, if you think about it. 52 times what the insurance company valued the case at. We were right, they were wrong. But that's the type of work we're doing for people like you out in northeastern PA. So it's sometimes good to share our results with you guys.
Yeah,
he did a killer job.
I mean, it was a brawl, but you know what? We had really, an amazing client. I mean, a young kid who, dedicated his life to serving our country, had actually joined the Army at age 17. Before,
amazing.
Yeah, I mean, really just an amazing kid, and he's doing okay now, but he's got some permanent injuries that he's going to have to, deal with the rest of his life. And this jury, this jury did the right thing. I mean, they listened to the evidence. They were, really, into the case. I mean, they paid attention, and they got the right result. They really did.
Congratulations to you both, and best to the family. Of course, if you need legal help or advice, you can check the guys out by giving them a call or checking them out online. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
Get your question through the Law and You hotline or PAHomepage.com.